We continue to follow a high-profile case. Closing arguments started this morning in the murder trial of Andre Jackson. He's accused of killing Josue Flores, the 11-year-old. He was stabbed to death as he was walking home from school back in 2016. KPRC2's Brittany Jeffers has the details from downtown Houston.
Court resumed around 9:45 this morning, and both the prosecution and the defense were given an hour for closing arguments. Now, as we've reported, Andre Jackson is accused of killing 11-year-old Josue Flores. Flores was stabbed roughly 20 times with a pocket knife nearly 6 years ago while walking home from school. And over the course of several days, we've heard different testimony from various witnesses. In closing this morning, the defense argued that there simply was not enough evidence to convict Andre Jackson and that witnesses were not reliable. In the meantime, the state argued that, taking about 11 minutes of the hour allotted, telling jurors that they believe the evidence proves there can be a conviction.
Andre Jackson is a killer. He killed a child. And the evidence is right here.
This case is every defense attorney's worst nightmare. It is a textbook example of how innocent people get convicted.
Now, throughout the duration of both the investigation and the trial, Andre Jackson has maintained his innocence. As soon as closing arguments are over, this will then be in the hands of the jury, who will then begin deliberations to determine whether or not Andre Jackson is determined to be innocent or guilty of the crime he's accused of. I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.